In today's video, I'm going to show you 8 different types of Google Ads formats that you can use within Google Ads to ensure that your message is portrayed in the best possible way to help you get a maximum conversion rate for whatever type of campaign that you're implementing. Now, what is a Google Ads format? Well, a Google Ads format is simply the types of media that you will use to present to your potential customers when implementing an advertising campaign. So whether that be images, text, or video. Text ads. Now, text ads, as their name implies, are text only, typically implemented within search campaigns. And these are probably one of the most widely used types of ads. They are now commonly known as expanded text ads, where you can specify exactly what the user gets to see when your ad is being triggered, from the top headline to the descriptions, including the display URL. Responsive ads. Responsive ads are basically smart ads where Google can change the appearance, the size, the format of the ad depending on the device that the ad is being displayed on. Now, these obviously can be image or text-based ads. With text-based ads, you can specify a number of different headlines and a number of different descriptions, and Google will determine which headline and description to present to your user in order to give them the best user experience possible. Call ads. Now, with the Google Call ads, they are designed specifically to encourage your potential customers to call you as opposed to visiting your website and filling in one of your forms or a lead form or whatever you have. Now, so if your business is better able to serve your potential customers via phone call as opposed to receiving an email, then a call ad is an absolute must for you. So call ads would typically appear on mobile devices, and you've got a choice of either using your own phone number or you can use a Google forwarded number called a GFN number. Either way, people will be able to call you directly from the Google page by simply clicking on a link and calling you. Image ads. As the name implies, these are images which you can display primarily on the Google Display Network to advertise your products or services. So with image ads, they can appear in multiple formats. So you can use animated GIFs, static GIFs, or even HTML5 formats. What is important is to make sure that when designing your image ads, you design them both for desktop and mobile. There are different sizes and different size formats, so make sure you have catered for both sizes. App promotion ads. So with app promotion ads, these are primarily designed to allow you to get more downloads of your app. It also allows you to embed deep links to direct parts of your app itself. So if you've got an app and you want to get loads of downloads, this is the number one platform or the types of ad that you should be investigating in order to implement an advertising campaign to get more downloads. In-stream video ads. So with in-stream video ads, these are targeted ads to allow you to promote your YouTube video. So YouTube is owned by Google, so they both work great hand in hand. So you may have at some point in time visited, say, for example, YouTube. You want to watch your video and you might have seen a video come up before your main video with a skip button on the bottom right hand corner. Now that is implemented using an in-stream video ad. If you click skip after 5 seconds, you go to your main video. And if you do click skip, the great thing is that the advertiser doesn't pay for watching those first 5 seconds. How brilliant is that? Hey, just out of interest, it'd be worthwhile knowing that what type of YouTube videos you might already have, which you think that it might be worthwhile implementing a Google Ads campaign for in order to drive traffic to your website or your landing page. So tell me in the comments below, it'd be great to hear from you. Google Shopping Ads, also known as product shopping ads. So if you have a website whereby you're selling something on, in other words, you've got an e-commerce website, then you can have your products displayed on the Google page whenever somebody conducts a search for your products. Now, typically, Google will display your product image, a photo of your product, the price of your product, the title, as well as the brand. So if you do have an e-commerce website, Google Shopping ads are an absolute must. Showcase shopping ads. Now, in a similar way to how Google Shopping ads work, but instead with Showcase shopping ads, Google will display a catalog of your products. Now, at the moment, these ads are not very popular at the moment, but I'm hoping that in time, they will get more and more popular. So the great thing about Google Showcase ads is when your catalog is displayed, it's not showing all your competitors and their prices as well. It's just your catalog. So it's kind of very sort of targeted at your product range, which is why Google Showcase ads are really good. So that's it, guys. What type of ads do you currently use, and what are your most popular type of ads that you think work for you best? Also, what type of ads would you like me to create new content on, or maybe new videos on, to go into a lot more detail about how to use these ads? Don't forget, in the meantime, to download my guide by visiting ppcebook.com. And also, depending on whatever channel you're visiting this video on, don't forget to like or subscribe or whatever the platform demands. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.